Good day, class. Welcome to our channel, Leaders Academy 5074. Today we are treating calculus, and we're going to be starting from the utmost basics, differentiation. Okay. After differentiation, we'll look at integration. But for today, we'll start with differentiation. Now, for differentiation, we have some rules that we're going to look at. We look at the general rule, the first principle. We look at the product rule, the quotient rule, and the chain rule. So we're going to look at these 5 rules, but today we are going to be starting with the general rule. Very simple. General rule. Okay. So for the general rule, we have that for general rule, I will have that if I have a function y equals to f of x, therefore I am asked to differentiate. That is, if function y equals to f of x, define dy dx. I'm asked to find dy dx of this. Dy dx of this simply means that I am differentiating this function. And it is also called, it's also the same as what? Find d dx of y, the function. And it also means what? Find d dx of that function. Now, enough of all this drama. We need to move into calculation, but I just want to introduce you to this topic, and let us look at example, because in mathematics we deal with what? Examples, not too much grammar. Examples. Let's say y equals to 5x raised to the power 7. Find dy dx. Or you can also here find the first differential. That means you differentiate this thing once. If you here find the second differential, that means you are going to differentiate it twice. Now for this, we have that word dy dx. Solution of a function dy dx is equal to, we have d dx of 5x raised to the power 7. That was differentiating y with respect to x. We are differentiating y with respect to x. Now listen to this note. Note, if y equals to ax raised to the power, ax raised to the power n. If y equals to ax raised to the power n, the dy dx of this is simply, please take note of this part. Take note of that part. The dy dx of this is simply what? This times this. Finish. A times n. Then you say what? X raised to the power, you subtract 1 from this, n minus 1. That is the end. Your answer is what? An x raised to the power n minus 1. Now, coming back to this question, you follow the same principle. This times this, it gives you what? You say that dy dx equals to 5 times 7. Then x, 5 times 7, x raised to the power 7 minus 1. So that gives you 5 times 7 is what? 35 x raised to the power 6. That 35 x raised to the power 6 is the answer to this question. Now move a bit advanced. We can have another example. This is example 1. You have example 2. Example 2. Please, are we following? Example 2. I give you this question. I say that if y is equal to 3x raised to power 4 minus 7x raised to power 3 plus 9x raised to power minus 2. Look at this instance now. A bit, we are just coming a bit advanced. I want to know what you give me as your answer here. I will believe you are able to solve that. But even if you are not able to solve it, please follow me as I move now. Follow me now. We say what? Find dy dx. Therefore, the solution to this question. Solution equal to dy dx equal to, listen, this times this, that is what? 3 times by 4. Then x raised to power what? X raised to power what? 4 minus 1. I hope you are following. This 4 minus 1. The next one, minus 7 times what? Minus 7 times 3. Then x raised to power what? 3 minus 1. Plus 9 times minus 2. Then x raised to power minus 2 minus 1. This gives you what? This time this gives you what? 12. X raised to power what? 4 minus 1 is what? 3. Then you say this time this gives you minus 21. That's minus 7 times 3 give you what? Minus 21. Then you have what? X raised to power what? 2. Minus 2 times 9 gives you what? Minus 18. X raised to power what? Minus 2 minus 1 is what? Minus 3. So this is your answer to that question. You can see, just in one line you have gotten your answer. So some of us have this fear, the phobia for mathematics, and we say it is very difficult, anything calculation is difficult. No. When you come to Leaders Academy, if you have anybody that is having issues with calculations, please, and you know we can help the person, please share our link to that person. Subscribe to our channel and drop your comments in the comment section. Thank you very much for being with us. We thank all of you that have supported us in one way or the other, and you have done your best by subscribing to our channel. Some people have also supported us financially. We appreciate you for this. We pray that God will meet you all at the point of your needs. Thank you very much and remain blessed.